friends, welcome to Spicedhamal, the channel where we simplify recipes. I am your host Nitin and I am back again with another fantastic recipe. But before I tell you what recipe it is, I just thank you all for the phenomenal response you have given to our Kurg series. We did some travel blogging, we went to Kurg and we tasted some Kurgi food and we did some of those ghee roast and Kurg mutton curry recipes as well. So you check out the full channel. We do international recipes, Indian recipes, seafood recipes, and today's recipe will be an international recipe. And now I have been waiting to do this recipe for a while. Whenever I see IPL matches, the World Cup matches, and when you see those excellent players from West Indies, playing those big shots, that reminds me of one of my first chefs on a cruise line. He was a Jamaican guy, a great guy, and he taught me the Jamaican Jerk Chicken, or a chicken jerky as they call it. And it's gonna be a fantastic chicken jerky recipe or a jerk chicken recipe, and as it's going to be, I'm going to teach you similar way the Jamaican chef taught me. So it's going to be jerk chicken. So let's see what all we need for this recipe. But before we see the ingredients, make sure you press the thumb icon to like the video, press that bell icon so you get an instant notification, and if you are new to the channel, hit that red button to subscribe. So we'll start with the Jamaican greeting. Wax agwan friend, let's start the chicken jerky. So for Jamaican jerk chicken, what we are using is around 2 kilo of chicken legs, and this is with skin chicken leg, around 8 pieces. Now why we are using leg or the with skin is because this is going to be a slow cook. It's generally done on barbecue. We will be doing it in oven. So you need to clean the chicken legs, dry it. Let's keep that aside and make our paste for the jerk paste for the marination. Now we will be doing the paste in a blender. Now traditionally pimento berries or allspice berries are used in Jamaica for this marination. Now it's not easily available in India, but allspice is a spice berry which gives the flavor of cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg and pepper. So what we are going to do is replace those ingredients with our regular spices. So I am using 2 sticks of cinnamon, a small piece of nutmeg or jaifal, around 10 to 12 cloves, and a tablespoon of white peppercorn. You can use black as well. I will add around 2 bay leaves to it. This is another ingredient which adds sweetness to this recipe and gives nice color as well. That's the brown sugar or a demerara sugar. So 2 tablespoons, salt as per taste. So we will add all these ingredients to our blender. Another thing which goes in the recipe is fresh herbs. So now in fresh herbs, you can use fresh thyme, fresh rosemary. I am using a mix of dry herb which is easily available, which is a mix of rosemary, thyme and oregano. So around 2 tablespoons of that. Now this is a recipe of 2 kg chicken. If you are using 1 kg chicken, you can just do this recipe in half. Then we are going to add few cloves of garlic. So these are around 25 cloves, or if you have a larger garlic, you have to use 1 full clove. Around 2 inch of ginger which has been sliced so it doesn't hurt the blender and blends easily. Then there are these 2 key ingredients. So I got around 2 small onions, or you can use 1 onion also, and around 3 to 4 spring onions. So I have used spring greens and the blob of it. So you will add all of this to your blender. Another key ingredient is this Scotch bonnet chili. Now this is not exactly Scotch bonnet, but this is something similar we have available in India. But you can always use the original Scotch bonnet, or you can use any chili which you find. So this was very similar to Scotch bonnet I could find in the market. So I am using those. So let's add them. Just remove the stalk. Let's add 6 of them. If we find the marination is not that spicy, then we will add more of it. Now it's time to add all the wet ingredients to the dish. Now we will start with some acidic ingredients. So we will add a juice of half a lemon, Another ingredient which goes is the pulp of tamarind. Now if you don't have access to tamarind, you can always use Worcestershire sauce, but I am using the pulp of tamarind which was soaked in hot water. Then goes the soy sauce. This gives also nice color and flavor. This is around 50 ml or a 1/4 cup measure I have used. Similar quantity of oil. You can use any refined oil or olive oil if you like. Now the last ingredient is an optional one, but I would recommend you to use it, and that's the dark rum, preferably Jamaican one, but even Indian rums are made from molasses, so they are also very good for these recipes. So around 50 ml of it. Let's blend this into a smooth paste. So that is our Jamaican jerk paste is ready. It has to be in dark color like this, because when it will cook, it will go even darker and become delicious. Now we need to marinate our chicken with this paste. An ideal way is just massage the chicken well with it. So use your hand, don't be afraid to use your hand, and give the chicken good massage with the marination. Let it go into all the crevices of chicken. And as the Jamaican chef would say, the massage is like love that brings out the taste from the chicken. And now once we marinate the chicken well, we're going to keep it for 8 hours minimum. Best is you marinate this overnight, and then we're going to cook it in oven, or if you going to have a barbecue this winter, you can cook it on barbecue as well. So we will be doing it in oven, but let us massage it well and keep it in refrigerator. So see you after 8 hours. So friends, it's been around 8 hours and our jerk chicken is marinated really well. So we had taken out of the refrigerator for around 30-35 minutes so that it should come to a little bit of room temperature. Now it's time to bake it in the oven. So we have oiled our oven tray or a baking tray, and even oiled the grill also. So we will be placing our chicken legs on top of the grill. The oven is preheated at around 230 degrees Celsius. So what we are going to do is first bake it at 230 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and then bring it down to around 180-190 and cook for another 45 minutes, giving it a basting in between. We will be basting this chicken with this marinade, and we will add the remaining marinade. We will make a delicious sauce from it. That looks delicious, smells even great. So let this pop this into the oven. So first 15 minutes we will put it on the high heat at 230, then we will lower the heat. So our chicken has been baking for almost 30 minutes now. So we will be taking it out and changing its side and basting it with some marinade. So see, the chicken is start to get darker. So just turn over like that. So let us baste it with some more marinade. Generously like that. And then we can put back it in the oven for another 30 minutes or till it get nice and crispy from outside, soft and juicy from inside. So friends, it's almost 1 hour 15 minutes and our Jamaican jerk chicken is ready and baked. Look at the color. Wow, looking absolutely delicious. Now anything you bake or a roast, you can't consume it straight away. You need to rest the meat for around 15 minutes. So what we're going to do, we're going to rest the chicken legs in this tray. We're going to cover it with silver foil and we're going to make the sauce with the drippings. So make a quick barbecue sauce with the drippings of the tray. So let us transfer this tray to this tray. And cover it with foil. So these are the delicious pan drippings and the juices that we got here. We will just add a little bit of hot water to it and scrape everything out. Squeeze a little bit of lime juice. And make this ready for the sauce. So we are starting our quick barbecue sauce with little bit of butter. Add it to the pan quickly. Mix it and let us add all the remaining marinade to it. Cook the marinade for a bit till it comes to little darker color and all the ingredients get cooked. Now it's time to add the other ingredients. So what we will do is add little bit of flour, give it a mix. So this will give a thickening to our sauce. Little bit of red chili powder to give it a kick. Around 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now I'll use a whisk and just mix everything together. Just to balance the sourness, add a little bit of honey. And one most important ingredient for a barbecue sauce is a coffee decoction. Or you can use a shot of espresso as well. So that gives a nice color and a taste. Get this mixture nicely mixed and lump free. Now let us add in all those drippings from the tray. So that deglaze juices from the tray, just strain them in. So let's not waste all that goodness from the roasting of chicken. Whisk in the sauce. Let it come to simmer for around 5 minutes till everything mixed through. Then we will taste it and season it. And that's the delicious spicy barbecue sauce is ready to go along with our jerk chicken. So let us plate it and taste our Jamaican jerk chicken. So friends, so let's time to plate our Jamaican jerk chicken. Look at it, looking nice and delicious. And it is well rested now. So give it a cut. Nice and juicy from inside. So let us cut few of them. And we will plate it. This absolutely delicious looking chicken and garnish it with some spicy barbecue sauce. And there you have it, my friend. Absolutely delicious Jamaican jerk chicken with spicy barbecue sauce. Just the same way they do it in Jamaica, and my Jamaican chef who taught me this is going to be very proud today, and I'm going to be tasting and showing you how does this Jamaican jerk chicken taste. So that's the Jamaican jerk chicken or chicken jerky, and it's going to be absolutely soft and delicious. Look at it, how soft and juicy that marination has made it. Just falling off the bone. Wow. So I'm going to taste it with some spicy barbecue sauce which we instantaneously made from the marination. What should I say? How does this taste? It is true definition of finger licking tasty. And this is a type of chicken you don't eat with knife and fork. Traditionally also in Jamaica it just come off the grill and you just eat it with your fingers. So if you like this recipe, make sure you press that thumb icon, press the bell icon to get an instant notification to our channel, and press the red button to subscribe if you are new to the channel. So until we meet again with a fantastic recipes like this, stay happy, stay healthy, enjoy cooking, and let me go and enjoy this jerk chicken.